Good morning, student. Welcome back to our math session. In last session, we discussed about the measurement of angle. How to measure the angle with the help of protractor. Okay. So today we see the different types of angle. The first is a right angle. So right angle means, so suppose you have to draw a letter L. So the letter L. So here the angle is formed. This angle is called right angle. Okay, see in your clock the time is 3 o'clock. Okay, the needle, minute hand and r hand on 12 and minute hand, r hand on 3 and minute hand on a 12. So here again angle is formed between these two needle is a right angle. Means right angle measured exactly 90 degrees. So the angle which is 90 degree, which is called right angle. Okay, the angle measurement, the right angle measure exactly 90 degree. So this is your protector. Suppose you have to draw a line segment and you have to put the protector here. So here is a exactly, we get here 90 degree, and when you have to join these 2 points, we get here this angle 90 degree. Okay, so right angle means 90 degree. Then, so what are the examples? So see here, this is your math textbook. Okay, so this math textbook, here which angle is formed? The edges of this book, this standing line and this is sleeping line. Again this angle is formed is a 90 degree. Again the corners of your home, house, okay, और रूम, जो आपकी रूम है इसके जो कॉर्नर्स है वहाँ पे भी कौन सी डिग्री फॉर्म होता है? 90 डिग्री. ओके, एंड और मोर एग्जाम्पल्स आर table. Okay, table is a rectangle shape. The corners of the table again form a 90 degree. Okay, so these are all examples, real life examples of right angle. Okay, so suppose you have to draw a letter H. Again see in this letter H, capital letter H, see here how many right angles form here? This is standing line, this is sleeping line. So here we get 90 degree angle. Again, so this type of angle, again we get this type 90 degree angle. Again this is 90 degree angle, and this is we get here 490 degree angles. Okay, so right angle means 90 degree. Okay, the angle measured 90 degree is called right angle. Then second is straight angle. So straight angle means the angle measure 180 degree straight line directly. Okay, so straight angle means $180. The angle measuring 180 degree. Suppose you have to draw a line segment. This is your origin and you have to put your protector, and this is 180 degree. Okay, so when you have to join these two lines with the help of ruler, you get here straight line. Okay, so this type of angle called as 180 degree. An example of this angle, see your scale. Scale is a example. Okay, so one scale is again straight means 180 degree. Then in your clock, when there is a how much time in clock? See here, this is 12, 6, 3 and 9. So 12, the needle on hour and on 6 and minute hand on 12. So here the angle is formed is 180 degree. Okay, so this is straight angle. Okay, then next is acute angle. Acute angle means the angle measuring less than 90 degree but more than 0. So this angle is called acute angle. See angle acute, less than 90 degree but more than 0 degree. Suppose the angle, this type of angle is formed. ओके, सो नाइट अभी आपको पता है राइट एंगल इज स्ट्रेट लाइन. ओके, सो दिस टाइप ऑफ एंगल कॉल्ड 90 डिग्री स्ट्रेट लाइन. बट all the angles between this 0 to 90, these all angles, see the यहाँ पे एंगल होगा, यहाँ पे एंगल होगा, यहाँ पे होगा, तो all angle these are less than 90 degree and these all angles called as acute angle. Okay, so this angle, suppose this is a 65 degree or 75 degree or 88 degree, even 89 degree is a acute angle. ओके, मीन्स लेस देन 90 डिग्री. आप भी जब मेजरमेंट करोगे तब उसका मेजरमेंट कितना आएगा, लेस देन 90 डिग्री. ओके, सो सी हियर इन योर लेटर ए. सो दिस इज लेटर ए. सो यहाँ पे जो एंगल फॉर्म होगा, सी दिस इज लाइन एंड दिस इज अगेन लाइन. सो हियर द एंगल इज फॉर्म इज कॉल्ड एक्यूट एंगल. ओके, सो एक्यूट एंगल कैसे दिखेगी, दिस टाइम स्मॉलर देन 90 डिग्री. ओके, तो एक्यूट एंगल less than 90 degree but more than 180 degree. See in your kite, जो आप kite उड़ाते हो उस पर क्या है, this is your kite. Okay, so here the angle is formed, this is again 90 degree. Okay, so this type of angle called as acute angle. Then in a clock, okay, this is 12, 3, 6, 9. Suppose your दिस इज 1, 2. सो यहाँ पे भी जो एंगल फॉर्म होगा, सी हियर दिस इज 1 o'clock, 1 o'clock. तो हियर विच एंगल इज फॉर्म हियर, हियर वी गेट हियर एक्यूट एंगल. ओके, सी बिकॉज यहाँ पे कौन सा एंगल फॉर्म है, एक्यूट एंगल. 2 o'clock अगेन वी गेट हियर एक्यूट एंगल. ओके, बट ऑन 3 o'clock वी गेट राइट एंगल. सो acute angle means less than 90 degree but more than 0 degree. This type of angle called acute angle. Then next is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means the angle which more than right angle means 90 degree but less than 180 degree. See here, more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. This type of angle called as obtuse angle. Okay, so see here this type of angle. Okay, this is angle and this angle is 130 degree. Okay, 130 degree means the angle more than 90 degree but less than 180. Okay, so ये आपके प्रोटेक्टर है. Okay, and your protector, so this is 90 degree. ओके, यहाँ पे 90 डिग्री आएगा, 90 डिग्री more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. These all type of angles called as obtuse angle. So this angle may be 135 degree, 175 degree. Okay, 180 is a straight angle. Okay, so 179 degree again is a obtuse angle. 199 95 degree. Okay, then 100 degree. These all types of angles called as obtuse angle. Okay, so remember this, obtuse angles means more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. And examples are, see in your clock. Okay, this is your clock, 12, 6, 3, 9. So what timing is 5 o'clock. See here. So this type of angle form here, this type of angle called as obtuse angle. Okay, so obtuse angle, how to see, like this, open. Acute angle like this, but obtuse angle we get here open. Okay, this more than 90 degree means you identify the which type of angle. Suppose you will get here this type of angle. Okay, so this is open, so this type of angle is called obtuse angle. Okay, but your angle this type, then which type of angle is this is acute angle. Okay, so you have to identify the obtuse angle, acute angle. Right angle means this type, straight line, both slipping line and standing line, these are 90 degree angle. Then next straight line means we get here straight, so this is straight angle. Next angle is complete angle, means 360 degree rotation is completed, your rounder. Okay, so this complete angle is called, the angle we measure 360 degree is called complete angle. Suppose this is your clock and your timing is completed. Okay, this 12, big needle on 12 and small needle on 12. So this type complete rotation done. So this type of angle is called as complete angle. Okay, and how to measure write this angle? So this is line and this is the complete rotation done. So this type of angle is called as complete angle. So today we see the different types of angle. So which type? First is the right angle, then acute angle, obtuse angle, straight angle and complete angle. So today you have to do the exercise. See in this is your textbook and you have to complete the exercise 6.2 in your textbook only. This write the types of angle for each of the following. So here is no measurement. आपको यहाँ पे measurement लेने की जरूरी नहीं है. You have to directly write the name. How to write the name directly? See here. This figure is less than 90 degree. So which type of angle? Okay. So this is acute angle. Okay. You have to learn the spelling of the angle. Then this is straight line. So which type of angle? This is the straight angle. Then this is which type of angle? This is 90 degree. Yes, because both are straight line. Here we get 90 degree angle. So these are right angle. 90 degree angle means right angle. This is here rotation is completed. So this type of angle is called as complete angle. That is 360 degree. And this is open. Okay, this type of open angle. So this type of angle called as obtuse angle. And again see here, this is a close smaller than 90 degree. So again this is a acute angle. Okay, so in this way you have to write the name of all the angles. Then here are a different yoga asanas. Identify the angle, mark in each asana. Okay, write and few advantage of doing yoga every day. So you have to solve yourself this question. So here angle is given. Which type of angle here is formed? See here, this is acute angle. Okay, see here small angle. Then this is obtuse angle, open type. Then here 90 degree angle is formed. These legs and hand. So this type of angle called as right angle. And this is straight angle. See a straight line. So this question you have to do solve yourself in your math notebook. Okay, write the name of asanas and write 2-3 advantage. Okay, so today what is your homework? So today you have to write the types of angle, then write right angle heading, then you have to write the right angle, measure exactly 90 degree and draw this figure. Okay, then next is straight angle. Again you have to write the right angle, measure 180 degree is called straight angle, draw this figure. Okay, then acute angle. Acute angle which is less than 90 degree is called acute angle, and acute angle is smaller than 90 degree but more than 0. So this figure you have to draw and write angle ABC is an acute angle. Then obtuse angle. So angle which is more than right angle but less than straight angle is called obtuse angle. So again you have to draw this figure and write the obtuse angle is smaller than 180 but more than 90 degree. And angle XYZ, this is a sign of angle. So write this angle XYZ is the obtuse angle. Then next complete angle. Complete angle means the angle that measure 360 degree is called complete angle. And draw this figure and write angle POQ is a complete angle. Okay, so in this way you have to write all the definition and draw figure in your notebook and complete your exercise 6.2 in your textbook only. Okay, and see this question you have to solve yourself. Okay, thank you.